From $0 to $19,500 per month. That's right. How do you get there? In real estate. Well, let's reverse engineer here, because if you want to make $19,500 a month, like I did, I'm going to show you how to do it. There's a couple different ways. Number one, there's 9 ways to earn fees in real estate. I'm going to give you my primary fee, which is called Fee Gold. It's called the Owner's Representative and Development Fee. That's 5% of the total value. Now, in the case of buying real estate, there's the acquisition fee. And the reason I'm bringing fees up is because you can pay yourself every month on all your real estate deals, in addition to the passive income you could generate for yourself. Now, the key here is you look at both angles. If you're in real estate investing, number one, you should be in business for yourself. You should pay yourself to be in the real estate investing business, because you're going to be paying other people to succeed. And if you can provide those skill sets to the real estate investment group that you have, you keep everything in-house. And that's why I'm here to bring this point and represent to you how important it is to think outside the box on how you can earn fees and passive income. Now, how do you earn $19,500 a month? You only have to invest $2 million worth of real estate. How do you invest $2 million worth of real estate? You reverse engineer. To invest in $2 million worth of real estate, you need approximately 20%. That's $400,000. With that $400,000, if you generate 10%, how much is that? That's $40,000 per year. I went into real estate development because there was 9 ways to earn fees that I may have just mentioned. And those 9 ways were focused primarily on development fee and acquisition fee. Acquisition fee could be as much as 2%. A development fee could be as much as 5%. So if you're doing a $10 million development, a development fee could be $500,000. An acquisition fee could be $200,000. Those are substantial numbers on where you could start to pay yourself. On my first project, I not only paid myself $19,500 per month, I paid myself $30,000 a month. On this project that I developed, it was a $17 million project. The development fee was over $600,000. And since it took me over a year and a half, I would divide that fee by the amount of months and pay myself monthly. It exceeded $30,000 a month through fees. I couldn't take an acquisition fee on this property because it was a development, but investments that you buy in, you can take an acquisition fee. You can actually pay yourself $20,000 a month on one deal. Just think about it. On a $10 million transaction, you earn $200,000. That's close to $19,500 per month. But the key here is to show you how to earn $19,500 per month passively. So let's reverse engineer that. If you follow criteria that you make between 20 and 30% return on your money, how much money do you have to invest to earn $240,000 a year? Well, if you make 30% on your money, you have to invest about $1.5 million to generate that. So let's reverse engineer on what it takes to invest $1.5 million. If you invest 20% into a property, $1.5 million will buy you close to $8 million worth of property. When you buy $8 million worth of property, you're done. You'll be paying yourself $19,500 for the rest of your life. You can keep doing real estate deals, paying yourself fees, paying yourself more passive income. But the beauty of it is you only have to invest $2 million to pay yourself $20,000 a month. You're asking yourself, how am I going to do that if I can't even get the deposit? How am I going to get $2 million? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that with the Modern Wealth Building Formula at www.kenvanliew.com. It will show you how to invest $2 million that will generate $240,000 a year, which just is over $19,500 a month. And that's what I want to teach you a little bit more about, because it's about using investors' money. And the key, whether you're a beginner in real estate or whether you're advanced in real estate, you want to rethink what you're doing and see if you're fully leveraged. There's no reason why you should be using all your own money unless you have unlimited funding. If you want to accelerate your real estate and move it forward, learn how to use other people's money. So let's summarize where we're at. Your goal is to earn $19,500 per month and you're at zero. Well, what I want you to really instill upon yourself is that real estate is fee gold. You can earn fees several different ways: development fee, acquisition fee, owner's representative fee, construction management fee, general contracting fee, option and upgrades fee. It goes on and on and on. And that's what I want you to know, that real estate, all those fees that are paid out, you can actually pay yourself. And that's the key. $19,500 is not a big number. Take steps today in order to pay yourself $19,500 and create passive income. Check out kenvanliew.com, Modern Wealth Building Formula, and make it a great day.